Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the waiting to upload error in Google Drive. If your files aren't uploading, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually easy to fix. First, open Google Drive and make sure the page is fully loaded. Sometimes a simple refresh can solve the problem. Next, check your internet connection. Try loading another site or streaming a video to ensure your connection is stable. If needed, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network or a wired connection. Then check your Google Drive storage in the lower left corner. If you're near your storage limit, delete unnecessary files or transfer data elsewhere. You can also consider upgrading your storage plan if cleanup isn't enough. By checking your connection and storage, most upload issues can be resolved quickly. If problems persist, contact Google support for further assistance. And that's it. Hopefully, these tips get your files moving to the cloud smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.